I see him.
That'll be fine. Change the battery if it dies.
Alright, right by the arch, take him out. He's killing us right here.
I don't even see him.
Alright,
Look. Alright. Look up by the arch where you enter. Got him. You got him? Alright. Smack him out. I'm wet.
You got two up on there.
Oh, baby. Here.
Okay,
I'm out.
I got you.
On up. So my og has an ACOG. What up? Alright. Dude, you guys cover me. I'm moving up. I can't hit shit. He is. Let's go for that. Yeah. Oh, shoot.
We cannot move farther than the city wall. Well, from the back, that is. We cannot move farther than the back city wall. Other than that, you can go with it. That way. Okay, alright, so red team, you guys are going to walk down that way with Sam. Blue team, you guys are going to come with me.
No, we got one.
Alright guys, no more playing around.
I'm playing around. I'm tired, dude.
You're what?
I'm tired.
How are you tired?
Tired?
Yeah.
What time did you get to bed last night?
11:26.
Precise time.
Yeah.
What about that?
Huh? Yeah.
There's one over there with you.
Back here, swamp.
Okay.
If the silent makes no conversion, and I heard that silent.
What'd they do here?
But the CMP only makes this. It's too big for CMP. We need people arch direction. We need arch direction to people. One's over here. One's over here. There's three over there.
There's two. Either that is a gloss or that is a
Hey, folks that I've never met. How you doing?
the M9.
Played it before?
No.
No?
The 5.7.
All right.
Nope, that's the 6 hours.
Yeah. Keep the one in the mud and the one here so you can respawn, because you're not going to be able to get to the one in the mud to respawn. There's too much. You want us back further? Sure.
We should totally stay here.
Yeah, well the old...
We got dominated last time. I think we should just stop.
But, no, you don't have to get dominated. They're going to try and come up and get on either side of the city and shoot in, so that what they'll do is compromise this flag.
They are going to start sneaking up on the
And they're going to
The best way to defend something is not to be in it.
What's that?
The best way to defend something is not to be in it.
Well, here's the key. You defend it from the outside. You need one or two people in here to draw fire and let them get...
Trap them in.
Let them get as close as you can. And
Oh, yeah.
here's the thing. When you grab that trigger, you keep shooting until they say, I'm out. Because they're all in this kind of stuff times 6. They're not going to either feel it or call it. So shoot them in the face, shoot them in the arm.
Don't shoot people in the face.
Okay,
Please
all right.
Please don't tell people to do that, because that's awful airsoft attitude.
I know, but
No
they're...
offense.
All right.
Please don't tell people to do
You're right, Super. Shoot them in the arm, shoot them from the crotch down. Is that okay?
I'm working on it.
Crotch down?
Yes, that's fine.
Crotch down. They're men, ladies. Shoot them in the crotch down.
Right on face.
Other people material. I hate the other team.
I work at Nike, and I got returned a pair of these baseball shorts I'm wearing right now, and they're padded all right here, and in the front. So I'm like, woo!
I had to go there, man. Hook me up with a discount. Are you just like a cashier or whatever?
Oh no, I work there. So. When you work at Nike, you're put in different positions every day. It's a random selection. So either you're working shoes, you're working register, you're working apparel, working the back. Everything.
Where should I go? Probably go on the right side of the street.
I'll call you if you see anyone.
I'll just run woods, honestly.
What they say?
They're gonna get us really fast on that west side.
Yeah.
No, we're not allowed. You gotta go up that wall, buddy. This side. Because you can't. We're not allowed to.
I hate the fact I don't have authority.
Ready. Guys, you cannot. You can go along the right side of the city, but you cannot go around the lake.
Listen.
Who's going to the mud? Get to the mud, turn that flag. Who's going to the city to turn the flag?
Ah.
Turn the flag. Somebody go up that right side.
Get this way. Shit, I can't fit. Go, 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 go. I can't fit. Come. Heads up. When I shoot, you run, okay? Go! Wait, no, don't go. I'm sure you might. Tony, what's on the other side of this wall, like right behind it? Like right on the other side of this wall, what's on it? Cool. You can run and dive that way if you want. That's the best way I can think right now.
Somebody wants that flag. Guys going up the woods. Right there. Hey, how do you get behind me already, guys? Who's watching the city? I'm blue.
Get down, get down, get down.
How do you get in the city? There's nine of you here. You can't see. I'm war.
You ready, Tony? Don't come out! You got a guy? Where's he at?
I'm right in spot.
Don't worry about him. He's not gonna move. The workman down here.
Hey.
Watch that shot. Just me and you, Tony, okay? Don't show yourself off. Let him come to you. Tony, I'm out. I'm out of ammo.
Yep.
Hit! Who's shooting me?
I don't know. I'm hit. Hit.
Let me walk in.
Let me walk in. Let me walk in.
Guys, watch your right. Right.
And that's the.
Tony, hold up. Need you to hold this for me for a second. I'm gonna do some. Alright, here, here. Now hold this.
Okay, guys, there's one over.
Got it.
So I'll tell you where one of them is.
I pretty much know where all of them are.
Well, there's one over by us, me and Kelsey.
In the woods?
Yeah, like in the grass.
We'll get them.
You want to come with us? Because we can't aim at this guy. So I can't.
Come on. Made my own single point. Let's go. Johnny, watch the woods.
That's where they are. They're over there in the grass. No, he's still there.
That's fine. That's fine.
He's over there. Like by the lake, you're not.
Watch it, Johnny. Hit. Yeah, I did. Ah.
Johnny, you go check it.
Hang on. Gotcha. Gotcha. Hello. Yeah, no. Johnny, help me. Yeah? I think we're clear. You guys are clear if you want to come this way. Come on, quick. Get back in the woods.
Back in the woods?
There we go. Go. Go, Johnny. Where?
Next shot.
Hey. That's distraction. They hear that sound of like trip and they run.
That's my dad.
Okay, we got one in the city.
Someone just coming up the grill. No, but I looked out there and there was like 4.
Oh, another one just got in.
Come on, let's get in the city then.
Yeah. Mask is falling down. Trying to see, little filter.
Dang it. Hey, they're in the front, over there.
Hold on, get against the wall, get against the wall. Here you go, you ready? Well, he's going to hit friendly.
What's on the left couple
I'm not ready for that right now. One friendly. I'm still gonna pee. Johnny, get them. There's posts inside of there that we got friendlies at. Are they shooting at you? Are they shooting at you? If you can get them in the city, because right here is not the best place to be. Hold up.
You got one guy looking right at us.
Guys, I'm getting express.
Blue tape? Yeah. Okay. Okay, stay tight, stay tight. I can't tell if they're friendly or not. Waterfalls, water dripping, rivers. Alright, you're good. They're friendly then, because there's a bunch of them over there. I'm staying right here. Hey, you don't yell at my guy. I tell him to move on when I say move on. Well, that makes more sense. Hey, you guys want to get something good? Jump in the woods right here and lay down. As soon as they walk through that door, you'll see them, you shoot them.
Hey, where are they? Over there.
Can they not get to the floor to turn it? Is that the deal? Bye. Where we going? Come. Yeah, right here, behind this wall. Yeah. Ladder to the other wall. Oh, there he is. You know. You shoot him. Dude, I don't really know I know, he's stuck his head up the job. I think he is. No! Hey, get with the Africa, you're out! Bro, you're out!
What if there's a BB sitting on a leaf?
You walking that place, city? Don't let anybody near it. I'll put your gun ready right there. Your gun ready. Yeah, you are.
Watch out, I got a scope, watch out. Where's he at? Where is he?
Down in the ladder.
Is he in there?
I think so.
Crazy.
I'm not seeing him.
Hey. Still behind that. Whoops, sorry. Still behind that ladder. He just walked through. I just saw him. Taking it down.
He's underneath there.
Get down!
Right there. I can see you. And I know I've gone through at least once. What? Come on, you're a hit. Hit.
Hurry up, come on.
I don't miss those shots. I don't miss those
Twist
shots.
it, twist it, twist it, twist it. The front. No, never mind.
You guys are coming on behind us right now.
Are you cool?
I just
They
banged
got
the guy.
They're right there in the woods. Oh,
Okay.
I'm hit.
Let me think about
He's
this.
there, I'm gonna turn the gun on.
Got it, I got it.
They got our flag. Oh, they're behind this guy. I got you.
No, go. Move. Behind us.
Watch the pack here.
Put your gun up.
Hey, don't shoot.
Right corner, at the wall.
Morgan.
There he is.
Oh, crap, he's right there.
Are you want to try to breach?
Grenade.
You want to try? Alright, he's coming. He's still on the ladder.
Oh, you gotta get right there. See him? Hey, we got someone behind us.
No.
Behind us.
Hold it.
He's falling.
Guys!
You guys were about to be
They're all right there.
Holy fuck. Hey.
Hey, Tony, I'm here. Help. Yes.
Look at that key. Fuera. Kita sini dulu. Got it. Tony, don't move. Tony, don't move. Morgan, get beside him. John, get beside him. Get ready to fire. I'm hit. Wow, that didn't hurt. Cool. Yeah, I haven't been getting him by this half. We cut the fire. There's a guy over there having his own shit. Watch, sorry. Dude. Hey. Try and get caught in his man attack with this team.
Oh, they're not. I know. That's why I said make sure you hit him. Hit him in the balls.
Oh, yeah. Honestly, to be completely fair, the only way you're going to call your hits is if you get enough pain, so shoot him in the face.
No, go up there and back them up. I don't know the magic.
Okay, I know where he is now.
That's right.
Some weird people in this world.
Yeah.
God bless as many people.
Oh. Okay.
Slowly.
No, she's like more than 10 feet, dude.
You get up against the wall.
Morgan, you got him?
More than 50 feet away from you.
What?
Hang on, I'm reloading.
on, come. Hey, we all need to get away from that tree. Get away from that tree. No, don't leave the tree. Don't leave the tree. Oh, you're good, bro. You just know where to come back. I'm not moving. Morgan. Nicole. Run. Gotcha. Morgan, you know how close I was to your leg? I need you guys away from the tree in the woods, Morgan. You're not going to make it right there with you standing there. Nicole, run back now. Run along the fence. No, don't go up. Don't go up. Run back. Morgan, I got your left if you look forward. Hey, dude, the game's over. I got him. In the face.
Oh, thanks. I got hit by him 5 times in the face. Very funny. They cracked my screen protector. They cracked my screen protector on the front.
You serious?
Yeah, they cracked it. I was the last one up here holding my down. I got 5 people up here.
Which way you want to walk?
I'm gonna show you that way.
I'm gonna clock you too. If they start shooting at us, you just kind of move that way and act like you're moving that way. Where's my hand? Come on, Johnny. Damn it.
That's not you.
What's wrong?
Wait, that guy's here?
I saw you get him.
I think I turned back here. But he said, where did he go?
I guess he walked out.
No, the guy was come back behind here, I think.
Oh.